This card that was just part of the combo I just released is a very important card. In what sense is it important? It is important in the sense that it's going to help you quickly increase your profit per hour. What do I mean by this? What I mean by this is because if you look at this, there is a countdown. In less than 24 hours, this card is going to enter this place as your card. Okay, you can see a few hours ago, this one right here was here and it was counting down, and after the countdown it became my card. As you can see, it says here you own this card. So once this timer here expires, it's going to be among these cards here and it's going to say you own this card. So you've got the opportunity to buy this card as fast as possible before this countdown finishes. Okay, so if I click on this now and click on go ahead, you can see now I need to come back in about 1 minute to buy it again. Okay, as you keep buying, the time would keep increasing till you begin to see come back in 2 hours to get the card. Okay, you need to keep coming back, timing it. Okay, once the time elapses, make sure you come back in time to buy it again. Buy it as many times as possible so that you use that opportunity to increase your profit per hour. Many do not know this. Okay, instead of using 10 million, 20 million to buy something that will just give you 1,000 profit per hour, why not use this trick to increase your profit per hour? Ladies and gentlemen, this is it for this video. Don't forget, I've got a very important video coming up next, and it's going to be a video where you and I are going to look at whether Hamster Kombat can actually pay over 200 million players. Okay, I'm gonna be sharing some important information. Make sure you watch that video, especially if you're new in crypto. I have a lot of important cryptocurrency information to share in that video. Of course, I've got a Telegram channel. The link is gonna be in the description. There are a lot of interesting things. We talk about crypto, teach crypto in there. Check the link in the description of this video. Let's go.